Snip Snap Snorem, how to play. The object of this 3 or more player card game is to be the first player to get rid of all your cards. Pick a dealer who shuffles a standard 52 card deck of playing cards and deals out all the cards to the players one at a time. Players look at their cards but keep them hidden from their opponents. The player left of the dealer goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. The first player may lead the trick with any card in their hand. Then, the next player clockwise must play all the cards of the same rank that match the led card from their hand if they can. If you don't have any cards of the current rank being played, you pass your turn. When you play, you must either say snip, snap, or snorem, indicating which card you are playing for the set. Snip indicates the second card, snap for the third, and snorem for the fourth. The player who lays down the fourth card discards the 4 center cards from the table and leads any new card. The first player to play all the cards in their hand wins the game. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Check out playingcarddecks.com for an awesome variety of playing cards, and be sure to use my promo code TSG for 10% off your entire order.